An angry defendant, only one bailiff in the courtroom, then mayhem. Just more than 2 months ago, that combination resulted in a shooting inside a Person County District courtroom that killed the man on trial. Tonight, only on WRAL Investigates, Colin Browder takes us step by step through the shooting, the tension, and the ongoing security concerns with the help of the judge and the courtroom audio.
It was September 9th in this Person County courtroom. Christopher Thomas Vaughn, a big man with a long criminal history, stood trial for holding a 12-year-old girl against her will in a Walmart. Through a public records request, we obtained the courtroom audio and sat down with the judge to piece together the chaos of what happened.
I just had a bad feeling.
District Court Judge Caroline Burnett recalls the building tension as Vaughn complained his attorney wasn't asking the right questions.
I'd like to have her discontinued, and I'd like to have another lawyer represent me.
Sorry, you don't get another lawyer, sir. You either get Ms. Pass or you represent yourself. What would you like to do?
Yeah, and I'd like to withdraw because apparently he's quite good at this. And
Your motion to withdraw is allowed. Do you have any questions for the witness, sir?
Yes.
Vaughn proceeded to ask the 12-year-old witness questions, including whether she recognized him, and she said yes. Then when Roxborough officer Trey Wright took this stand, the defendant had second thoughts about representing himself, and conflict with the judge erupted.
I'm in the court of law, and I am innocent until proven guilty.
At that point, I got frustrated.
So where's my representation?
You, right there.
How? I'm not a lawyer. I'm not qualified for this.
The state of North Carolina gave you an attorney.
She withdrew. I didn't.
Shut up!
You shut up.
Take him.
Instead of walking out with the bailiff, Vaughn picked up a chair and threw it. And then it got worse.
He turned towards me and started running to the bench. At that point, the bailiff grabbed him and they were on the ground. I heard shouting, you could see people punching.
Burnett and others retreated to the judge's chambers as the lone bailiff, JRA, fought with the much bigger Vaughn, who reached for the deputy's gun.
Hey, you got my gun! You got my gun! You got my gun!
When the door shut at judge's chambers, we heard the shot.
At first, it was unclear who was shot. Witnesses say during the melee, Officer Wright came off the witness stand to help Deputy Ray and shot Vaughn in the head.
I think at that moment, we were all in disbelief.
Did these officers save your life?
100%. If it wasn't for the bailiff, I would be dead, and if it wasn't for the investigator, 15 people would be dead. There's no doubt in my mind he would have killed every single one of us.
As the judge still deals with post-traumatic stress from the incident,
You're affected by it every single day.
She's now focused on getting more funding and more deputies in courtrooms. Is it something the court system maybe has taken for granted?
I think we all took it for granted. I will walk off the bench if there's not enough security in the courtroom that I'm in. 100%. I never thought anything like that would happen in my courtroom. Never in a million years. I don't want anybody to ever have to go through what we went through that day. It was horrific.
This is all part of an SBI investigation, but Judge Burnett feels both the bailiff and the officer did what they had to do, risking their lives to save others. Colin Browder, WRAL News, Roxborough.
Just chilling. The SBI investigation findings are expected in the coming days. Following the shooting, Person County Sheriff Dewey Jones told WRAL he would make sure at least 2 bailiffs provide security in each active court. In this case, Officer Wright happened to be in court as a witness, not security.